how to download and install Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Blinkit. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here on the bottom, simply tap on install. So what is Blinkit? Basically, it is an e-commerce app. Here you can shop and add different items to your cart. So it will be directly delivered inside your home. So the app has been installed. Now you can simply open and start shopping. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.